I'm coming home, people. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Perth. What's going on, guys? My name's Lin Nyunt. It is Boxing Day, and today is a tradition that we have here in Australia and many places around the world, Boxing Day sales. I've come down to one of my local shopping centres to have some lunch and buy some goodies as well. First stop is lunch, Mexican, which I haven't had in ages. By the way, this burrito and the drink, $18. Welcome to Perth. Lunch is done, let's go. Okay, so I'm getting Nintendo eShop gift cards for my Switch, so I'm going there. And we're done. It's another day and I'm having a barbecue with my friends here in South Perth. Look at that view. That's my city right there, Perth. Okay, see you! It's December 28th and I've come to my friend Paulie's place. We plan on playing golf today, but it's super windy today and we may end up just doing something else instead. I also want to show you something outside. It's pretty darn cool. So this bus looks like it's something that's ready for the zombie apocalypse. All these grated up windows here. Where are they going that they need all of this? Do I press it again to cancel?
What? No, just leave it.
Okay. Hey, you want to be in the vlog?
Lovely to see you.
Alright, buddy, how are you?
How you going?
Yeah, good. So do you want to be in the vlog?
Sure.
Okay. Alright. Well, everyone, this is Paulie.
Hi.
Paulie wants to go play the golf in the wind. Alright.
Let's do it.
Apparently he sucks without the wind. It doesn't make a difference. Alright. Here we are at a very windy golf course. Ready for this?
Let's do it.
Alrighty. Right here is Paulie. There's the green. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5 other groups playing here. Cannot believe it. Yeah, in all my years of playing golf, this has never happened. Okay, I am taking a drop. What does that even mean? Wow, that was really stuck in there. Okay, where are we dropping it? There? Yay! What is that, a one-shot penalty?
I don't care.
There it is. Right, Vietnamese, closed. Alright, let's go to Typica. Is it Typica or Typica?
I think it's Typica. Everyone
Typica.
says Typica. It
Okay.
might be Typica. Maybe we're all wrong.
Maybe. Typica, open for business, yeah! This really is very crazy. It's Korean style spicy fried chicken, guacamole, and it's on a waffle with a fried egg and coriander. Somehow it all works. It's really tasty. have something that just arrived, and I'm pretty excited about it. I wonder what could it be? Da, 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 da. Super Nintendo Classic Mini. Wow, it's really tiny. I'm really excited about this. Look at these games. It's 21 games on here. So here's the big brother, the original Super Nintendo with the SNES Mini. Look at how tiny this is in comparison. Here we are at Perth Airport for the last night, my flight back home to Osaka. It's been a really nice time here in Perth for the last few days. Great Christmas, great seeing my family and my friends, catching up with all of them, having this beautiful warm weather, going to the beach, barbecues, awesome. I know I said goodbye, but I couldn't help but point out these really cool things at Singapore Airport here. It's an amazing Christmas little wonderland here, and also the Louis Vuitton store, which I need to show you as well. Here's the most impressive Louis Vuitton store that I've ever seen. This massive screen just alternates with all different kinds of images and looks just so cool. I'm going to leave it there for now. My name's Lin Nyunt. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that like button, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.